India, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be the edge control video. I told you guys like several months ago that I was gonna do a video on this edge control that I think is just absolutely amazing, and I never did the video. And people like DM me occasionally asking me about what the name of the edge control is, so I was like, let me just finally do the video for you guys. So it's not anything like miraculous. Like, the edge control is this style factor. This is the purple one, which says like blueberry scent or whatever, but it's the strong hold. The hold power on this one is a 5. So this is the highest one, the highest number for the holding like rank that they have going on. So yeah, this is what it looks like. It's clear, almost resembles jam, but not greasy. So jam is like super greasy, even though it looks clear like this, but like when you touch it, like you feel like it's really greasy. This is like that real like jelly consistency, and it really dries hard, you guys. So I'm gonna show you in the video like me laying my edges or whatever, but it's very simple. I just use this toothbrush, and this is my scarf that I tie on after. So I'm just gonna get up close and show you guys what it looks like. So now let's just go ahead and show you the little clip of me laying my edges, and then I'll come back and tell you guys why I love this product so much.
I've been thinking about us. I've been thinking about we. I've been thinking that you really come around no more. And it's hurting me so bad. It's hurting me so bad. Every time you walk away, I still need you by my side. Every time you call me up again, you know I loved you, but you lied. You know I loved you, but you lied to me. I've been thinking about us. I've been thinking about me. I've been thinking that you had to go around no more. It's hurting me so bad. It's hurting me so bad. And I'm trying to move on from you. Yeah, I'm trying to move on from you. And I'm trying to let go of you. Really, I'm trying to move on from you. Every time you walk away, I still need you by my side. Every time you call me up again, you know I loved you, but you lied. But you lied to me. I've been thinking about us. I've been thinking about we.
Hopefully that little tutorial was helpful. I know some people have issues laying their edges, but honestly, I have always used a toothbrush and it has always worked well for me. So this is what I stick to, little $1 toothbrush, and that's it. So super easy. So you guys, this edge control, I've been through, let's see, I used to use Hicks, Eben, which I still will use Eben occasionally, but yeah, Hicks, Eben, Eco Styler Gel, Gorilla Snot, Cream of Nature, and ORS. Those are like all the edge controls that I have used over the years since becoming natural. And yeah, just nothing compares to this. Nothing compares to this. I don't know the price. Looks like this is kind of washed up. It looks like it was $7.99. So less expensive than Hicks. Hicks is like $15. So yeah, this is, I'm telling you guys, like this is everything. Like I literally can put this on in the morning at like 7 o'clock and then get back home at like 7 p.m. and my edges are still intact. Still, now obviously I haven't been working out or sweating or anything. It's just a regular day, but I'm saying like, that's amazing. Like to come home 12 hours later and like your edges are still laid, like amazing. And if it keeps going in and out over here with the light, I'm sorry you guys, something is wrong with this one. I'm gonna fix it. Okay, so yeah. Oh, and then my hair, by the way, in case you guys are wondering, these are crochet braids. The lock, like faux lock crochet. So yeah, I have a video on that. I don't know which one is gonna go up first, but yeah, I want you guys to go check that out because these are super cute. just like a side note, because I know we're talking about the edges, but I mean, the locks wouldn't even be complete without the edges, you know? So yeah, they look really, really great. Love it. And I just tie it down with my scarf for like 10 minutes and that's it. So, I mean, longer, of course, if I have the time, but usually like 10 minutes or so. I've actually used this edge control and did not tie it down and it still worked great. So that's how you know it's bomb. Yeah, so that's it. I just wanted to share the edge control with you guys. Super quick video. If you guys have used this edge control and you think you have something better, put it down below, sis, so we can check it out. We want to know if there's anything better than this. And if you guys haven't tried this one, please go try it. Go to your local beauty supply store and grab one. I'm telling you, lifesaver. So yeah, that's it. Comment down below, like I said, about the edge control. Subscribe on your way out, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.